If you're still posting on Instagram the old-fashioned way, manually writing captions, guessing at hashtags, posting whenever you feel like it, you are leaving serious growth on the table. AI has completely changed how smart creators and brands are building their presence on Instagram. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. Welcome back to Node Pulse, where we break down AI tools and how to actually use them in your everyday life and business. I'm talking practical, real-world applications, not just hype. Today we're going deep on Instagram growth and how AI fits into every single piece of the strategy. Whether you're starting from 0 followers or you've been stuck at the same number for months, this is going to change your approach. Let's get into it. Let's start with the biggest problem most people have on Instagram: consistency. You can't grow if you're not showing up regularly. And most people fail at that because they run out of ideas or time. That's exactly where AI comes in first. Content ideation is the foundation. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini are incredible for this. You can literally tell one of these tools your niche, your target audience, and what you've already posted, and it will generate dozens of content ideas in seconds. Not generic fluff either. You can prompt it to give you trending angles, educational posts, controversial takes, or story-driven content. The key is giving the AI enough context. Don't just say, "Give me Instagram content ideas." Say, "I run a fitness account for busy moms aged 30 to 45 in the US. I post workout tips and meal prep content. Give me 20 content ideas that would perform well as reels." You'll get ideas that are actually usable. From there, let's talk about caption writing. Captions matter more than people think. A great caption drives comments, saves, and shares, all signals that Instagram's algorithm rewards heavily. AI is fantastic at writing captions, but again, you need to direct it well. Give it the content idea, the tone you want, and ask it to include a strong hook in the first line, because Instagram cuts off the caption after the first line or two. You want something that makes people tap more. You also want it to end with a call to action. Ask a question, tell people to tag someone, ask them to share. AI can do all of that in seconds. Now, hashtags. The strategy around hashtags has evolved a lot. You don't need 30 hashtags anymore. Instagram itself has said 3 to 5 highly relevant hashtags often outperform bloated hashtag stacks. AI tools like Flick, Tailwind, and even ChatGPT can help you research and select the right hashtags for your specific niche. Flick in particular has an AI-powered hashtag research tool that shows you reach, difficulty, and engagement rates, so you can pick tags that are specific enough to get you seen, but not so competitive that you drown. That's a real edge. Let's move to visual content. This is where a lot of people feel stuck. They don't have a photography setup or a design background. AI has made this barrier basically disappear. Tools like Canva's AI features let you generate graphics, layouts, and even text overlays that look professional. Midjourney and Adobe Firefly let you generate completely original images for your posts. If you're in a niche where stock photos work, there are AI image generators that can create hyper-specific visuals you'd never find on a stock site. For Reels specifically, CapCut has built-in AI features that can auto-caption your videos, suggest transitions, and even match your cuts to music beats automatically. Scheduling and posting time is another huge factor. Most people post when it's convenient for them. Smart creators post when their audience is most active. Tools like Later, Buffer, and Hootsuite now have AI-powered features that analyze your account's engagement history and recommend the best posting times. Some of them will even auto-post at those optimal windows, so you never have to think about it. You just load up a week's worth of content, and the AI handles the timing. Now let's talk about something that not enough people are using: AI for analyzing your competitors and trends. Tools like Metricool and Iconosquare let you track competitor accounts and see what's working for them. You can see their top-performing posts, their engagement rates, their growth trajectory. Feed that data into ChatGPT and ask it to help you identify what patterns are driving results so you can adapt those for your own account. This is legal, ethical, competitive intelligence, and it saves you months of guesswork. Engagement is another area where AI can help. Responding to comments and DMs consistently signals to Instagram that your account is active and worth promoting. Tools like ManyChat let you build automated DM flows triggered by comments or story replies. Someone comments a keyword like link on your post, and they automatically get a DM with whatever you're promoting. This drives massive engagement spikes, which the algorithm loves. You can set all of this up with very little technical knowledge. Reels scripting is its own art form. Short-form vertical video is dominating right now, and if you're not making Reels, you're not growing. AI can write your Reels scripts in formats that are proven to perform. Hook, problem, solution, call to action. You tell it the topic and the target length, and it gives you a tightly paced script you can record in one take. Combine that with teleprompter apps like PromptSmart, and you can make a reel in 15 minutes from idea to posted. One more powerful strategy: AI-generated carousels. Carousel posts, the ones where you swipe through multiple images or slides, have some of the highest save rates on the platform. Tools like Canva with AI, plus ChatGPT for the written content, let you produce entire educational carousel posts from scratch in under 30 minutes. You prompt ChatGPT for a 10-slide breakdown of a topic in your niche. Drop each slide into Canva, apply your brand template, and you've got high-value content that drives saves and follows for weeks. The overall workflow looks like this. You use AI to brainstorm a week's worth of content ideas in one sitting. You use AI to write the captions and scripts for each piece. You use AI or AI-assisted tools to create or enhance your visuals. You use a scheduling tool with AI-powered timing to queue everything up. And you use AI-powered analytics to review what's working every week and double down on it. That cycle, consistently executed, is how accounts go from stagnant to growing. The people who are winning on Instagram right now are not necessarily the most talented or the most creative in the traditional sense. They're the most efficient. They've built systems, and AI is the engine of those systems. You don't need to be a tech genius to use any of these tools. Most of them are built for regular people. The barrier to entry has never been lower, and the upside has never been higher. Start with one thing. Pick the part of your Instagram workflow that takes you the most time or causes you the most friction. Is it coming up with ideas, writing captions, making graphics? Pick that one pain point, find the AI tool that solves it, and commit to it for 30 days. Then add the next piece. Build the system layer by layer and watch your growth respond. If this helped you, make sure you subscribe because we drop new AI tool breakdowns every week. See you in the next one.